Okay, I've got a 2015 Silverado. I've been having some issues with it. Stabilitrack alarm, the window up and down alarm, not being able to start it, acting like the battery's dead when the battery wasn't dead. So everything I've seen talks about a ground that's up here in this corner, that there's supposedly a piece of insulation around it. I don't know if I can get a good look at it or not with this camera. Okay, there's that stud right there. And as you can see, there's no insulation around it. It came from the factory, cut out around that stud. And everybody on the internet and everybody in YouTube saying, oh, there's a piece of insulation there that's affecting the ground. Well, I'm here to tell you, in 2015, that's not the problem.